Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam missing executable error. Start by opening your antivirus program. If you're using Windows Security, open the protection history. If you're using a third-party antivirus, look for a section called Quarantine, Virus Vault, or something similar. Check if the game's executable file is listed there. If you find it, restore the file and mark it as trusted or allowed if your antivirus gives you that option. After restoring it, add your game's installation folder to the antivirus exclusion or exception list. This helps prevent the antivirus from removing the file again in the future. If the executable file was permanently deleted, Steam can usually download it again by verifying the game files. Open Steam and go to your library. Find the game that's showing the error, right-click it, and select Properties. Open the Installed Files tab, then click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan all of the game's files and compare them with the official versions. If any files are missing, damaged, or changed, Steam will automatically download fresh copies and replace them. Once the verification is complete, restart Steam if needed and launch the game again. In many cases, this fixes the missing executable error and allows the game to start normally. Thanks for watching.